In this class, I will explain what is loop in programming and how it is used into the programming and why we use loop into the programming. Okay, first of all, just need to understand loop basically used for those tasks or those operation which is repeated again and again. No need to create your code for that particular task for many times. You just create loop for it and it will do for you and repeat your same task again and again into the loop section. Okay, I will give you an example that will much better help you to understand easily about loop condition. For suppose we visit many times a search engine website just like a Google, Bing, Yahoo and many other websites. Alright, so what we need to do, we search when we visit Google search result and we search every time different task again and again. Okay, what thing is repeated, the searching thing is repeated many times. So at the back end of Google, it used loop to perform searching again and again for user according to their keyword. Alright, you can easily understand. For suppose we have dictionary and we type a word and we want to get definition of it. For suppose we type help, it search. Okay, we suppose we type go and we want to get meaning of it into the dictionary, it search again and again. Okay, so same like this, we have different type of repeated conditions into the programming language. We use loop for it. Okay, clear? Now just try to understand how to use loop in the source code. I will explain it with the program and define everything clearly. Okay, now what is loop, why we use loop, and what is the role of loop into the programming language, I have explained clearly. Now I just try to give you another example, make sure you understand or not. For suppose date, it is repeated again and again. Okay, for suppose today is 24 or 25th, it repeated 25th, 26th, 27th, century, year 2017, 2018, 2019. Okay, it is repeated. So what loop use behind it into the programming point of view? For suppose we have date, in backend we have programming for it, it will repeated according to the time period. Okay, so it is also using loop. And where we use loop into the programming language, we use loop for when we create any software, we need to have a loop to perform some repetitions task. For suppose registration system we talk about, we repeat things behind it. Okay, we register many students in Facebook, just like in a Facebook, many IDs, millions of IDs created. So million times loop has been repeated. Okay, for millions users. Okay, and on YouTube thousands of people upload videos. Okay, so and behind it one form repeated and behind it loop works. Okay, I hope you understand easily. And there are three type of loops and every loop has a particular condition and particular task. Okay, So I will explain with real-time example and according to source code. In next class we will also use some flowchart that will much better help you to understand the way of using loop. Take care. Bye.